Hi, what's your name?
My name is Amanda.
Nice to meet you, Amanda. I'm John.
Nice to meet you too, John. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing great, just enjoying the day.
That's good to hear. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and hiking. How about you?
I'm really into photography and cooking. I love trying out new recipes.
That sounds fun. What's the last dish you made?
I made a homemade pizza from scratch. It turned out pretty good.
That sounds delicious. Do you have a secret ingredient?
I add a little bit of honey to the crust for extra flavor.
Oh, I have to try that next time.
You definitely should. What kind of books do you like to read?
I'm into mystery novels and historical fiction.
Oh, I love a good mystery. Have you read anything by Agatha Christie?
Yes, I'm a huge fan of her work. Murder on the Orient Express is one of my favorites.
That's a classic. I've read that one too.
It's such a clever plot twist.
Absolutely. So, what's your favorite place to go hiking?
I love the trails up at Blue Mountain. The views are amazing.